Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your eyes on CapCut PC. So go to the retouch section and go to makeup, enable it, and go to eye color. And then as you can see, there's a bunch of colors. Unfortunately there's only two free ones, which is the black and red one. But here I'm just going to try the colors one by one just to show it to you guys. So since she has blue eyes, it just looks kind of like grayish. This one's the blue one. She already has blue eyes, so like obviously she doesn't need any more. This one's translucent. Again, it gives off the same as the brown one. This one's the black one. It makes her eyes look gray. This one's the red one. This one actually shows up. And here's the green one, which also shows up on the video. And yeah, that is how you can change eye colors on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.